Hi my people, we are making potato meal today. You see this potato food meal I'm making? You have never had anything like this before. It's so delicious, it's so super tasty. It will take your palate from 1 to 1000. If this is the kind of meal you want, please keep watching. In a pot, pour in red palm oil. Yes, the normal palm oil. Don't bleach the oil, and the quantity of the red oil is determined by the sizes or the quantity of potato meal you want to prepare. So, you add red onions to the red oil that you didn't bleach. Pour in scotch bonnet, salt, crayfish, little things. That's what you need for this potato meal. Everything I use will be on the screen and in the comment section. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. If today is your first time, thank you for stopping by. You're welcome to this community. Please feel at home. And if for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. You guys are absolutely the best. Keep the sauce to cook for about 10 minutes while turning and adding other stuff. After that, the next line of action is to put your sweet potato. Yes, when I said potato, we are making use of sweet potato for this potato meal, not your normal Irish potato. You can see how I cut the potato. I wasn't so eager to keep a particular shape, and it's not very tiny. It's moderately cut, and this is how you want your potato sizes to be. You will know that potato is easy to cook. So with this method, this sauce is going to simmer and the potato is going to absorb every sweetness, every ounce of sweetness from this sauce. There is a natural spice I added to this potato. I will leave the link to the video in my description so that you can make your own at home. It's quite easy. Currently, I am adding the chicken broth. This chicken broth will enhance the flavor of the potato. I'm not going to add the chicken now because the chicken was thoroughly cooked. If you want me to give you a shout out, write your name and your country in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. This potato meal does not take much time to cook. In total, it was cooked in less than an hour. Yes, are you surprised? Everything was cooked in less than an hour. Very delicious, not time consuming, and the taste will blow your mind. I keep emphasizing on the taste of this potato meal, but you guys might not understand what I mean until you prepare it yourself. It was super tasty. I just hope you follow all the steps and method I used in this video. This potato meal is very ready. Look at how delicious this food looks. This potato meal will enhance your taste bud and is very nourishing. If you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to my channel and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.